Hello viewers and welcome back to Medical. Today I am going to show you one of the famous pharmaceuticals produced this Privagan improves memory extra strength capsules, that is uses side effects and pharmacological action interactions and contraindications. What is the direction to use and supplement facts. Today I am going to discuss with you one of the famous pharmaceuticals. It produces the Privagan extra memory booster, that is initially it contains the so many problems can cure by using this, that particularly related to the brain. Now I am going to show you what is the overview and uses. The main overview and uses is the Privagan improves the memory and extra strength. It is the 20 milligram capsules, contains the 3-pack, and it is contains the one of the different ingredient that is extracted from the jellyfish, vitamin D and brain supplements, brain health. And mainly it creates the creativity, increase the creativity in our brain health, and also makes the thinking capacity in our body. And also mainly it stimulates the brain health, and also it functioning is the brain stamina, and also maintain the brain health, and also maintains the so many problems can invade by using this Privagan, friends. And also it helps the amygdala. The main thing we need to know about the main function of memory is the amygdala and hippocampus, and it also the proper function of amygdala and hippocampus. If we proper function of amygdala and hippocampus, it will properly increases the memory and sort out the all problems, friends. And also what is the third uses means mainly it is regarding to this Privagan extra strength. Why we need to take the extra strength means we need to improve the memory in particularly 30 days. We will get some difference in memory, and also increases the IQ level, intelligence. It also increases the intelligence level. And main thing it is prevents the Alzheimer's disease, dementia and memory loss. Nowadays the people are suffering so many problems according to the Alzheimer's, dementia and memory loss. By the memory loss, so many people are having the problems of in their life, and they are also having the so many different types of problems. What age we need to take this medicine means we can take starting the age of 16 plus. Starting the age of 16 plus, where doctors are recommending. So many doctors according to the Cleveland Clinic and Mayo Clinic and so many higher position of hospitals or doctors and neurologists are prescribing this Privagan extra strength capsule because it contains the aquaporin. It is extracted from the 100%. It is a jellyfish. The mainly the aquaporin relates to the brain of amygdala and hippocampus, increases the memory power and prevents the Alzheimer's disease and dementia problems in our brain, and also helpful in the maintain the proper brain function and prevent the future problems, friends. It contains the ingredients is microcrystalline aquaporin secrets, acacia, cornstarch and tricalcium and tocopherol. And what is the direction to use, how to use, we need to take mean in front of your screen I am going to show you. It also easily available to your doorstep. I am giving the description link in your description link in my channel, this video link. You can go by through the link, you can easily purchase through this, friends. And also having the offer also is now available. You can go and purchase there, you can get the offer, friends. And what is the direction to use, I am going to show you. Main direction to use is mainly related to we need to take only one capsules. Once again I am going to tell you, only one capsules we need to take. No need to increase the more than one. We need to take only one capsules per day. With food or without food we can take easily, friends. These are all the main uses, side effects and pharmacological action. There is no side effect about this medicine. No need to worry about the side effects and ADR, adverse drug reaction. It is 100% safe for our day-to-day life. We can take using it, friends. These and all I have finished the description, uses and side effects and pharmacological action. That's all, friends. I am going to show you the another video. I will come with me. Thank you for watching my channel. Keep supporting us. Subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, has all notifications for day-to-day updates. Thank you.